Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and in our recipe today we are going to make this wraps, which is a quick and easy wraps. And so let's see what are the ingredients that we need, and let's get into the kitchen without further delay. But before going into the kitchen, I welcome everyone who's new and do not forget to like the video, to share the video with everyone whom you know, and also pass the word around, and also with subscribing to the channel. This will benefit me and it will benefit you. So thank you very much, and we will get into the kitchen now. Today in our recipe we are going to make a very quick and easy wrap using hummus, also pita bread, and any other vegetables that you have in your home. Today I'm just going to use pita bread, hummus, and green onions. So let us see how to make them step by step. Primarily, we will warm up the bread. So I'll be back when the bread is warmed up. To begin with, we have to use the spread. For the bread, we will use hummus. I'm not using any butter or anything, and this would be 100% vegan for those who are observing fast, and which is also for Catholics who are observing fast, you can have two snacks or two meals that not equivalent to one meal. It has to be meatless. So this is a perfect recipe on a fasting day. So we could always add some green onions, and we'll just wrap this, and we are done. And we'll do with the second one. Oops. And we will do with the second one. A generous amount, about 2 tablespoons. Spread them out evenly. You can add any vegetables here. If you have cucumber, parsley, anything that is desirable to your mouth, you can have that. But just make sure that there's no meat in it. On a day of non-fasting day, you can have any meat if you want. So with that, we will wrap this again. And dear viewers, this is a quick and easy recipe. And dear viewers, this is my quick and easy recipe for a day of fast. And I hope you'll try this in your kitchen and let me know in your comments and how does it taste, which is a quick and easy. I did not make the hummus. I will make the hummus in my future videos, and this was a store-bought, which is a quick and easy way of doing it. So for those who are new, welcome aboard, and do not forget to press the subscribe button. And also for those who have been with me, thank you very much. And for all Christians, I wish you a blessed season of Lent in this fast observing period of time. So till then, we'll see each other in our next recipe. Till then, bye bye.